Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you need the water ripple animation or effect? However, if you don't have any tool to create the animation from scratch, don't worry guys, because there is the AI that can help you instantly to create the water ripple animation, and this will be suitable or very suitable if you would like to create this animation for your video ad set of your content. So you can start to use this Meta AI over here, and also I'm accessing it with my PC to get a more spacious view, and you can also try it out from your smartphone or even a tab. And don't forget to do the login first with your Facebook account or the Instagram account, since this Meta and also the Instagram and also the Facebook still in the one management. I will click it, and after that you will see the home page or the interface of this Meta AI is quite simple, but also can help you to create something in it. For example, create the video animation, picture, and also you can add something in general. And if you scroll down, you can find the animation output from the another user, and they are very beautiful, stunning, and also realistic guys. This can be your inspiration if you would like to create the short animation. So you can start to put your prompt into this section as anything, and here I will put my simple prompt such as the create the water ripple animation in 4D model. And if you would like to create or want this Meta AI to create directly the animation itself, so I recommend you to put this word animation, and also you can add the another details, for example the 4D model. And if you would like to add the detail such as during the sunset, the looks is during the sunset, and give it the, let's say, the golden hour look like this. And after that you can start to click send, and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically this Meta AI will give you 4 outputs of the animation, and also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And if I would like to show you the result by using this simple prompt, you can see that this Meta will create me or have created me the result. And since my prompt was slightly very general, so the water ripple was from in several angle, and also several location or several look. For example this one, and this kind of in the pool, oh no, it's kind of in the side of the ocean, but it's quite calm. And also this is the water ripple when, I guess this is when the gloomy season, or during the drizzling, or during the rain. And also this is the slow motion of the water ripple. Which one do you prefer? And if you would like to make this animation a little bit longer, you can choose which one or which water ripple effect that you want. For example this one. And after that I will click extend over here, and kindly wait for the process. And you can go back again to this section, and this will be the another extended water ripple animation. So it's still in the process of the generation, and let's see the previous one. So as you can see, this is the beautiful and golden our waterable animation. They are very beautiful, and also it will show you the another additional result like the wavy water over here. And if you like it, then you can start to download it. And you can also copy this section too. And if you would like to create another one, then you can put your other prompt into this section. And if I go back to this extended animation, if I play this one, as you can see, the previous animation was usually 5 seconds. However, this one can be turned into 9 seconds, guys. And after that, you can simply download it if you like to, or post it into your favorite social media. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.